Alaska showed Shane Edwards the old form that the Aces are starting to regain as it beat its former important Ginebra, 81-75, in their tune-up game on Wednesday at the Upper Deck Gym. Facing their former import who's now standing in for Justin Brownlee at Ginebra, the Aces built an early lead and weathered every comeback attempt by the Jinkings at the latter's own practice facility. Tony Campbell paced the Aces with 22 points, but did most of his work early, by scoring 13 of his output in the opening canto as Manuel and Enciso brought the Aces home to win their second straight tune-up game after beating TNT last week. "We still have a long ways to go," Aces coach Alex Compton insisted. "Tune-up games are all about learning." Close quote. The Jinkings pulled to within 6 points down this stretch, but Encisco scored on an open layup created off a nifty fake behind the back pass to give the Aces the needed breathing room. Edwards fired a game-high 29 points to lead the Jinkings, who lost their second straight tune-up game after bowing to Global Port on Tuesday. The Aces try to make it a hat trick of tune-up wins as they face NLEX on Friday at their training facility, the Gatorade Hoops Center. The scores: Alaska 81, Campbell 22, Manuel 9, Thos 9, Abwaiver 7, Casio 7, Racel 7, Banchero 5, Enciso 4, Examiniano 3, Baclau 2, Magat 2, Teng 2, Cruz 2. Ginebra 75, Edwards 29, J. Aguilar 11, Tenorio 8, Mercado 8, Devant 7, Mariano 6, Capril 4, Manuel 3, Thompson 3, Ferrer 2, Kagayoa 2, R. Aguilar 2. Quarter scores: 23-14, 34-31, 63-55, 81-75.